सवाल ये उठता है ग्रेस दे के क्या उन्होंने खुद बताया था? नहीं बताया था। जब हमने 719 स्कोर पकड़ा 720 तब बताना। तो क्या एनटीए और भी ऐसे बहुत चीजें करता है जो हमें पता नहीं चलती?
किसी को कोई भी गुनहगार को छोड़ा नहीं जाएगा, उनको कठोर से कठोर दंड मिलेगा।
Amid widespread protests by NEET aspirants across India demanding clarity and fairness, the future of 24 lakh NEET students hang in uncertainty. Amid a the centre proposed a retest for over 1,500 students who were given grace marks in the NEET exam this year. The centre also cancelled the previous results of these candidates, which added another layer of controversy. But why are students protesting? Why were the grace marks given? What will happen to 24 lakh NEET aspirants? The NEET UG exam is the only entrance test held every year for students seeking admission to undergraduate medical courses. Results for this year's NEET exam were declared on June 4, and shockingly 67 students were declared toppers with All India Rank 1. This sparked an outcry among aspirants. They raised concerns over allocation of grace marks to 1,563 candidates. Later, the National Testing Agency, the body that conducts NEET exam, issued a clarification. NTA said grace marks were given to these students due to time loss and revision of a physics question. They also attributed an easy paper to the unusual number of full scores this year. In total, 67 students secured a perfect score of 720 in NEET examination. In 2023, only 2 students scored full marks, while 3 in 2022 and 2 in 2021. There are allegations that 6 of the top performers took the exam at the same centre in Haryana. Students also raised the issue of leaked question papers in the exam. Days after NEET exam was held nationwide, Bihar police arrested 13 people linked to the paper leak scam. Bihar police said that a paper leak gang allegedly took rupees 30 to 50 lakh from many candidates. Another racket to help NEET UG aspirants was busted in Gujarat's Godhra. Vadodara Special Operation Group detained a number of people who were allegedly supplying question papers to candidates for rupees 10 lakh each. Students also alleged tampering with the NEET OMR sheets, which added further concerns. However, the Union Education Minister Dharmendra Pradhan has refuted to the claims of paper leaks. He added that there is no evidence of corruption in the National Testing Agency.
दूसरा, 2 जगह पे कुछ गड़बड़ियों की भी ध्यान आई है। मैं छात्रों को और अभिभावकों को आश्वस्त करता हूं, उसको भी सरकार बड़े गंभीरता के साथ लिया है। वो जानकारी हमको मिली है। हम वो सारा विषय को एक निर्णायक स्थिति तक ले जाएंगे। उसमें कोई भी बड़े अधिकारी हो, एनटीए की कितने भी बड़े दायित्वधारी हो, अगर वो उनमें गुनहगार पाए जाएंगे, उनको भी छोड़ा नहीं जाएगा। किसी को कोई भी गुनहगार को छोड़ा नहीं जाएगा, उनको कठोर से कठोर दंड मिलेगा।
3 petitions were filed seeking cancellation of NEET UG 2024 test. They want a conduct of a retest for all students due to alleged anomalies. Alak Pandey, CEO of Physics Wala and one of the petitioners, contended that NTA's decision to award grace marks was arbitrary.
सबसे पहला पॉइंट ये है कि आज एनटीए 7-8 दिन बाद आके माननीय सुप्रीम कोर्ट के सामने खुद एग्री करता है कि ये ग्रेस वाला जो पूरा हमने जो किया है ये गलत है, इसको हटा देते हैं। कहीं ना कहीं एग्री किया। सवाल ये उठता है ग्रेस दे के क्या उन्होंने खुद बताया था? नहीं बताया था। जब हमने 719 स्कोर पकड़ा 720 तब बताना। तो क्या एनटीए और भी ऐसे बहुत चीजें करता है जो हमें पता नहीं चलती? क्या और डिस्पेरेंसीज है जो एक बार हमें अंदर घुस के देखनी चाहिए? ये तो पकड़ा गया 719 720 से, क्या ऐसे और भी मामले हो सकते हैं? तो कहीं ना कहीं ट्रस्ट का इश्यू है।
The matter was heard in a Supreme Court. The bench of Justices Vikram Nath and Sandeep Mehta heard the petitions. The Supreme Court has decided not to stop the admission counselling process. The court accepted centre's decision to conduct a re-examination on June 23. The results of this exam will be declared on June 30. The NEET results has now turned political. From Congress party to AAP, the opposition has targeted the centre over alleged irregularities in the examination. The DMK, which has been opposing the NEET for years, slammed the National Testing Agency for destroying exams' sanctity. Stalin also highlighted that the Gujarat police had registered an FIR over allegations of invigilators tampering with OMR sheets. Stalin added that NEET is masquerading as a measure of merit, but it is a scam. Congress Party demanded a re-examination for all the students who appeared in the examination. The controversy underscored deep-seated concerns over transparency and fairness in India's crucial medical entrance examination, prompting critical scrutiny and calls for a reform. But what will happen to 24 lakh students who appeared for the examination? Who is responsible for their fate?
If you like this video, then like, share and subscribe to Mirror Now.